Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install RubyMine on your Mac. This works on MacBook, iMac, and Mac Mini, and supports both Apple Silicon and Intel Macs. If you're a Ruby developer, RubyMine is one of the best IDEs for Ruby and Ruby on Rails. Built by JetBrains, it offers smart code completion, powerful debugging tools, and excellent framework support. Let's get started. First, open any web browser. I'm using Brave, but Safari, Chrome, or Firefox will work just fine. In the search bar, type Download RubyMine, then press Enter. From the search results, click on the official JetBrains website. I'll also leave the direct download link in the video description. Once you're on the RubyMine download page, choose the correct version for your Mac, either Apple Silicon or Intel. If you're not sure which one you have, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and select About this Mac. If you see Apple M1, M2, M3, or M4, you're using an Apple Silicon Mac. If it says Intel, then you're on an Intel-based Mac. After selecting the correct version, click Download. Save the installer to your Downloads folder. The download time may vary depending on your internet speed. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. A window will appear. Simply drag the RubyMine icon into the Applications folder. This installs RubyMine on your Mac. Once it's done, you can close the window and delete the installer file to free up space. Next, open Finder, go to Applications, and locate RubyMine. Double-click to launch it. If macOS shows a security message saying RubyMine was downloaded from the internet, click Open to continue. When RubyMine launches for the first time, accept the user agreement by clicking Continue. You'll then be asked to activate RubyMine. If you already have a license or subscription, choose Activate Code and enter your details. Otherwise, select Start Free Trial to begin using RubyMine for free. And that's it. RubyMine is now installed on your Mac, and you're ready to start coding with Ruby and Rails. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.